Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to remove green screen on Adobe Premiere Pro. So let's get started. So here we are in Adobe Premiere Pro. And from here, what we're going to do is you can see we have our subject right here in a green screen. And this is our footage. So if you don't know how to import your footage, you simply need to drag it. Once you import it here, drag it into your timeline just like so. And now from here, to remove this green screen, all we have to do is go here under Effects tab. So if you can't see your Effects tab, it's probably right here. In Windows, right here. And you can go click here, Effects, make sure that it's checked, and you can find the Effects tab right here. But in your case, it might not be right here. It might be at right here or somewhere here. You just need to find it depending on your workspace arrangement. So from here, what we're gonna do in the effects is we're gonna find Ultra key right here, because this is what we're gonna use, because Ultra key is the best one for removing green screen. So right here, to remove this, all we have to do is simply click on this eyedropper icon right here. Click on it and then click on the green screen background just like that. Or you can also do it manually right here. If you want to, you can click on the color and you can click on whatever green screen you would like. And as you can see, it's like this because it's not the same color. So I recommend using the eyedropper tool so that it would be like this one. It's black, so we can put a background on that. So let's see what kind of background should we put. Let's say this one right here. Let's just import this into the timeline just like that. And then I'm gonna go here. And as you can see, it's now in the background. And as you can see, the green screen is really good and it's really smooth. But if you didn't find it smooth, then you can go here into the matte cleanup. Right here, you can go for choke. As you can see in the footage, it is cutting it in, right? It's getting smaller. That is what choke is. And you can go for soften. If you think that the edges are too rough, you can go for soften. You can go for matte generation and so on. You can adjust other options right here that you'd want. But most of the time, if your green screen footage is really good, then all you have to do is just go for eyedropper tool and go for the soften. If you want it to be softer, then just like that, just a little bit. And I think just like this one is enough. And that is basically how you do it. That is how you remove green screen in Adobe Premiere Pro. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon.